Hello friends, welcome to our channel Meet the Flavors. Our today's recipe is dhaba style mushroom masala curry. And to prepare that, the first and most important ingredient is roasted besan, and for that you just need to take one small cup of besan and you need to roast it for 2 to 3 minutes on low medium flame in a non-stick pan. And after 2 to 3 minutes you can see it gets good golden brown color, and you can also smell a good aroma from it. Be careful, you just need to stir it continuously to avoid the burning of besan. Now take 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in the non-stick pan and add 1 tablespoon of ghee into it, and then melt the ghee properly. Now add 1.5 teaspoon of cumin seeds and saute it for 1 to 2 minutes. Then add finely chopped onions, and I have taken here 2 small sized of onion and finely chopped. Then add finely chopped 3 to 4 cloves of garlics and also saute for 3 to 4 minutes on low medium flame. Then add finely chopped of bell peppers. Here I have taken 3 colors of bell peppers, yellow, red and green, just to make this dish colorful, and also saute it for 3 to 4 minutes. Then add 3 to 4 finely chopped green chilies. And now after 5 minutes of cooking, you can see these onions, bell peppers and green chilies started extracting oil from it and it becomes soft. So at that time just mix it well and add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Then I am adding 1 small tomato chopped into pieces and mix it well. Then add 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of salt. Now 1 small teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 small teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 small teaspoon of coriander powder and 1 small teaspoon of cumin powder. Now mix these spices with these onions, bell peppers, green chilies. Now mix this well and cook it for again 3 to 4 minutes on low medium heat. Now cover it, cook for 3 to 4 minutes. You can see that oil has been separated from the spices, so it's well cooked. Now it's time to add the peas, and here I have taken half cup of peas and now adding 1 small cup of hot water. Here I have not boiled these pieces earlier. I will boil it with the spices. Now cover the lid and cook for 5 minutes. After 5 to 6 minutes you can see our pieces are boiled. Now add this roasted besan that we have prepared at the beginning and mix this well. And the advantage of using this roasted besan into the gravy, that it absorbs the extra water from the gravy and makes it thick, and also gives a good texture and the flavor in the gravy. And now add little bit of hot water again just to mix this well. Now cook it for 5 to 6 minutes and then add boiled mushrooms into the gravy. And now add some lemon juice on it and mix this well. And here I have taken 10 mushroom pieces, and as I am preparing this gravy for 2 people, so I have taken 10 mushrooms and cut into the pieces. And now I am adding 1 small cup of water. This is hot water, and then just adding some fenugreek leaves, dry fenugreek leaves or kasuri methi, and 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Now mix this well and cook it for further 5 minutes. So friends, our dhaba style mushroom masala curry is ready now within 20 minutes, and you can easily cook it at your home and try this dish. It's really awesome and delicious, and you can also add some fresh cream on it if you want. Now it's time for serving. So friends, if you like our recipe and these informations, please click the like button and share it with others, and please don't forget to subscribe our channel Meet the Flavors. Please support us, and for the next upcoming videos, don't forget to hit the bell icon too. Thank you.